Assalamualaikum to all my dear students. Hope you all are doing well. This is your revision class for annual exams. Now open your maths countdown book 1. First have a look subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Here is the number 9 is used for subtraction and addition sums. So the sums is 60 minus 60. Now move number 60, begin counting backward from the biggest number. From the bigger number to reach the smaller number. Here number is same. It means answer is 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. Then 50 minus 20. So start bigger number. To 2 times to reach 30. It means 50 minus 2 is equal to 30. And 80 minus 70 is equal to 10. What even number and odd numbers are? Numbers with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place are called even number. Look at the number 14. Number 14 has 4 in the ones place, so it is an even number. The meaning of odd number with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Now 15, 23, 42, 19, 58, 96, 69 and 14. So 42, 58, 96 and 14 are even number. Hope you understand, and other ones are odd number. Now how long are these? How long are these? Use a ruler to measure them. Write the length in centimeter in the box. In this exercise, you need a ruler. Keep on given object and measure the length in centimeter. Place the ruler on object and then write down the correct measurement in a given empty box. Another exercise, as you can see, measurement are given. You just have to draw a line by the help of ruler properly according to the given measurement. Measure it carefully in centimeter. Now first 5 centimeter, draw a line. Now start 0 to 5. Another 7 centimeter, draw a line. Yes. Measure it carefully in centimeter. Now match the shapes. Match the shapes with correct statement. A square has 4 sides, 4 corners, 4 sides are equal. So match square, all equal sides. Then triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. Sides can be equal and unequal. So match triangle, 3 sides. Then circle. Circle only one curved line, no corner. Circle no straight sides. Then pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Then hexagon, 6 sides and 6 corners. Rectangle. Rectangle has 2 pairs of equal sides. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, opposite sides are equal. Then oval. It has no straight lines, no corner, no straight sides, okay, like an egg. Now have a look on time. Time on analog clock. The round shape of a clock is its face, and having 12 numbers, the front of an analog clock is called the face or the dial. The points on face on the clock are called the short hand shows as the hour and long hand shows the minute. Now I will let you know how to read the time. Our hand is pointing at 2 and Nut's hand is pointing to at 12. This is means at time. Right now on analog clock is 2 o'clock. The minute hand points at 6 and our hand is between 2 and 3. Therefore, the time is 2:30 or 30 minutes past 2. Hope you understand. Okay. Now, measurement begin with the shortest. Begin with the shortest one. Let's learn how to compare different sizes and putting the things in order. You can see some pencils here in different sizes. Put the number in order. Begin with the shortest and one on short. Then number the rest in the order and put the long one in last in order. Then 2, 3, 4. Okay, students, let's wind up our revision class. Keep revising. Hope you understand. Take care. Allah Hafiz.